Welcome to Short Stories Galore, home to captivating short stories. In a time long past, when the world was a tapestry of undiscovered wonders and enchanted landscapes, there existed a village nestled amidst rolling hills and tranquil lakes. This village, known as Larkspur Hollow, was a place where the seasons danced in harmony, and the very air seemed to hum with the whispers of ancient secrets. At the heart of Larkspur Hollow stood a towering oak tree, a sentinel of wisdom and ancient magic. Its gnarled branches reached out to the heavens, while its roots delved deep into the earth, connecting with the hidden currents of energy that flowed beneath the village. For generations, the oak tree had been a source of inspiration and reverence for the villagers of Larkspur Hollow. They believed that the tree was a keeper of forgotten knowledge, a guardian of the land, and a conduit to the mystical forces that shaped their world. One crisp autumn evening, as the golden leaves fell like confetti from the trees, a wondrous event occurred. A melody, soft and haunting, drifted through the air, capturing the hearts and imaginations of all who heard it. The music seemed to emanate from the very earth itself, as if the land were singing a song of enchantment. The villagers gathered beneath the oak tree, their faces illuminated by the warm glow of lanterns, and listened to the ethereal melody. It was a melody that spoke of ancient tales and forgotten legends, a song that seemed to transcend time and space. As the last notes of the melody faded into the night, the villagers were left in a state of wonder and enchantment. They knew that this was no ordinary music but a gift from the land itself, a magical force that had awakened to share its secrets. In the days that followed, the villagers began to refer to the melody as Calimba, a word that seemed to capture the essence of the enchanting music. They believed that Calimba was a guardian spirit of the land, a sentient force that had chosen to reveal itself through its haunting melodies. Each night, as the sun dipped below the horizon, the villagers would gather beneath the oak tree to listen to Calimba's music. It became a nightly ritual, a source of solace and inspiration in their lives. The melodies of Calimba seemed to speak to the very soul of each villager, filling them with a sense of belonging and purpose. Among the villagers was a young woman named Ilawan. She had always felt a deep connection to the natural world, and the music of Calimba stirred something within her that she could not ignore. Ilawan had an innate gift for music, and she felt a calling to become the guardian of Calimba's melodies. One moonlit night, as she stood beneath the oak tree, Ilawan began to sing along with Calimba's music. Her voice, pure and resonant, blended seamlessly with the haunting melody, as if she and the land were engaged in a profound conversation. As she sang, Ilawan felt a surge of energy coursing through her, a connection to the very heart of the land. She knew that she had been chosen by Calimba to be its guardian, to be the voice through which the land could communicate with the villagers. Word of Ilawan's gift spread throughout Larkspur Hollow, and the villagers came to regard her with a sense of reverence and awe. She became known as the Songkeeper, the one who could commune with Calimba and channel its melodies for the village to hear. Under Ilawan's guidance, the villagers of Larkspur Hollow formed a bond with the land that was unlike anything they had ever experienced. They began to understand the language of the natural world, the rhythms of the seasons, and the delicate balance of life that surrounded them. As the years passed, Ilawan's connection with Calimba deepened, and she learned to channel the music's magic in ways that could heal, protect, and inspire. The melodies of Calimba became a source of solace during times of hardship, a celebration during times of joy, and a guiding light during times of uncertainty. But with the power of Calimba came responsibility, for the land was not without its challenges. As the villagers' bond with the land grew stronger, they also became more attuned to its needs and the threats that faced it. One spring, A great drought descended upon Larkspur Hollow, threatening the very lifeblood of the village, their pristine lake, which was the source of their water and sustenance. The villagers turned to Ilawan and Calimba for guidance, for they believed that only through the magic of the land could they find a solution. Ilawan, with a heavy heart, sang to Calimba, her voice filled with hope and desperation. She pleaded for a way to save their beloved lake, to bring life back to the parched land. Calimba responded with a mournful melody, one that spoke of sacrifice and unity. It told of a hidden spring deep within the earth, a well of life that could replenish the lake but could only be unlocked through a collective act of love and selflessness. The villagers, inspired by the music and Ilawan's unwavering faith, embarked on a journey into the heart of the forest. There they discovered the hidden spring, its waters glistening with a promise of renewal. With great effort and determination, the villagers worked together to construct a network of channels that would bring the spring's waters to the lake. It was a labor of love, a testament to their deep bond with the land, and a tribute to the power of Calimba's magic. As the waters flowed into the lake, life returned to Larkspur Hollow. The lake teemed with fish, the fields flourished with crops, and the village once again thrived. The villagers knew that their bond with the land and the magic of Calimba had saved their home. In the years that followed, Calimba's music continued to grace the nights of Larkspur Hollow. It remained a symbol of the village's connection with the land, a reminder of the power of unity and sacrifice, and a source of inspiration for generations to come. And so, my dear listeners, as you listen to the winds whisper through the trees and the melodies of the natural world, remember the tale of Calimba and the Songkeeper, and know that the magic of the land is a gift to be cherished, nurtured, and shared. Moral of the story: the bond between humans and the natural world is a profound connection that holds the power to inspire, heal, and rejuvenate. Through unity, selflessness, and a deep respect for the environment, we can overcome challenges and find solutions to even the most daunting of problems. Calimba serves as a reminder that our connection to the land is a source of wisdom and magic that, when cherished and nurtured, can lead to the renewal of both the spirit and the world around us.